In 2019, about 116.78 million tons was produced worldwide. That is approximately 31 billion United States dollars. India is leading in banana production in the world currently, producing about 30 million tons, followed by China, Philippines, and Colombia. Banana is produced by several kinds of herbaceous flowering plants, pollinated by bees and other fly insects. In some countries, bananas used for cooking are called plantain. They are not enjoyable raw, hence, required cooking. It's basically unripe bananas. Banana comes in different sizes, shapes, and different colors, like red, Java blue, and others. If you stay till the end, you are going to know why bananas are always curved in shape, nutritional values, and 4 health benefits of eating banana. Do you know banana is botanical a berry? Oh yeah, now you know. A medium size of banana, approximately 100 grams, provides 33% of vitamin B6 and 10% of vitamin C and copper, 8% of magnesium and 14% of manganese respectively. It has about 10% of potassium. It contains almost no fats and small amount of protein and fiber, but has about 24 grams of carbs, holding just 105 calories. Let's see some health benefits of eating banana. 1. Bananas may improve kidney health. The kidney plays a vital role in the body. Its main function is to filter the blood and remove waste from salt and water, and keep the body fluid in balance. As stated earlier, bananas are a good source of potassium, an essential nutrient for kidney health. Study shows women who eats banana 2 to 3 times per week were 33% less likely to develop kidney disease. Other studies shows those who eat 4 to 6 times per week were 50% less likely to develop kidney disease than those who don't. Banana have benefits for exercise. You may have seen your favorite athletes eating banana several times. Yes, banana is considered one of the perfect food for athletes due to its minerals content and easily digestible carbohydrates. Eating banana may help reduce exercise muscle cramps and soreness, which affect a lot of people, although the cause of it is mainly unknown. However, research shows that banana provides excellent nutrition before, during, and after endurance exercises. Another benefit of eating banana is healthy heart. Pumping blood throughout the body via the circulatory system, supplying oxygen and nutrients to the tissues, removing carbon dioxide from the body are some of the importance of the heart. A medium size of banana contains about 10% of potassium. Like the kidneys, potassium in bananas help maintain a healthy heart and blood pressure. Because they are low in sodium and high in potassium, this combination helps in controlling blood pressure. Aid in weight loss. Although no study has directly tested the effect of banana on weight loss, but bananas are low in calories, with almost no fat, yet filling and nutritious, and may reduce your appetite. Eating more from vegetables and fruits like banana help in healthy weight maintenance. Banana has other important benefits like balancing blood sugar levels, powerful in antioxidants, and others. Plantain chips is an easy recipe. Some people enjoy this in some countries. It's sliced in very tiny form and fried. It gives you a nice crunchy taste. What about banana smoothies? Have you tried banana smoothie with yogurt or milk and peanut butter? You should try if you haven't. Trust me, you will love it. Banana fruit salad is another great recipe idea. Your banana fruit salad may include mango, strawberry, or apples, and pineapple. Do you know why banana is always curved in shape? Well, bananas go through a process which is scientifically known as negative geotropism. What it basically means is, when banana is growing, it becomes too heavy for the plant and begins to sink towards the ground. So the bananas strive to reach out for the sun rays. That process gives banana its curved shape. Now, anytime you see a banana, you know why it curved. So, which of the health benefits was your favorite? And the recipes? Share with us in the comment section below. We will love to hear from you. If you like the video, subscribe, like and share to your loved ones. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.